Hi, I'm Michael, a bus mechanic at Walt Disney World. My family started here, so it's like a tradition. I followed behind my mom and now my two brothers, so it's actually three of us working here now. I have 28 years just in buses, and I love every minute of it. When I first got here, we had less than 200 buses. Now we're over 400 buses. I really enjoy working with my team. Everybody works together. If you have an issue, there's always somebody there to help you out. Feels really good knowing that our guests are safe going from the parks to the hotel. I can bring my family here anytime, my grandkids, and just to see the smile on their face is just happiness. Working here gives me a real sense of accomplishment. I'm really proud to be part of this.